Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
12 common phrasal verbs with grow. Like and subscribe to the channel. Grow apart. Meaning, become distant, stop having a close relationship because time, distance, interests, etc. have changed. Example, we used to be good friends at school, but have since grown apart. Grow back. Meaning, to regrow after being cut or removed. It is often used for hair, nails, plants, or even certain animals that regenerate lost parts. Examples, my nails grow back quickly after I cut them. The lizard's tail grew back in a few months. Grow out. Meaning, let hair, etc., with dyes, perms grow to get rid of the style. Example, I'm letting the perm grow out. Grow out of. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To stop doing or liking something as you age or mature. He used to love cartoons, but he grew out of them as a teenager. 2. To physically become too big for something, like clothes. I need to buy new shoes because she's grown out of her old ones. 3. To develop or result from something. To emerge or originate from a particular cause, idea, or situation. Examples. Her interest in environmental activism grew out of her love for nature. This tradition grew out of the community's shared history. Grow together. Meaning, process of developing, improving, or evolving alongside someone else, whether in a relationship, friendship, team, or community. Example, our team faced many obstacles, but we managed to grow together and achieve great results. Grow up. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To mature physically and emotionally. It's amazing to see how much she's grown up since graduating high school. 2. To stop being childish or immature in behavior. It's time to grow up and take your responsibilities seriously. 3. To spend one's childhood in a specific place or environment. Example, I grew up in a small town with lots of friendly neighbors. Grow upon. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To gradually develop affection or appreciation for something. At first, I wasn't sure about the new song, but it started to grow upon me after a few listens. 2. To leave a lasting impression. When something becomes more meaningful or memorable after repeated exposure. The beauty of the countryside slowly grew upon him during his vacation. 3. To influence or impact someone more strongly over time. The importance of teamwork began to grow upon her as the project progressed. Grow on. Meaning, that something or someone becomes more likable or enjoyable over time. Initially, you might not be fond of it, but as time passes, you start appreciating it more. Example, living in a small town was tough at first, but the place grows on you. Grow to. 2 meanings. 1. To gradually start to feel or do something. She didn't like the new city at first, but she grew to love it. 2. To increase in a particular way or to become something. The puppy grew to be a large and energetic dog. Grow into. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To gradually develop into something. This can refer to a person or thing evolving over time. He grew into a confident leader. 2. To become big enough to fit something. Often used for clothing or objects that were initially too large. He'll grow into that oversized sweater soon. 3. To become more comfortable or skilled in a role. Use when someone adapts to a new position or responsibility. Examples. At first, public speaking made him nervous, but he grew into a confident presenter over time. She's still growing into her new job as a manager. Grow from. Meanings. To develop or originate from something. It can refer to physical growth, like a plant growing from a seed, or metaphorical growth, such as personal development after an experience. Examples. The company grew from a small startup into a global brand. She grew from her mistakes and became a wiser person. This tree grew from a tiny seed. Grow away. Meaning. Refers to the process of becoming emotionally or physically distant from someone, often due to changes in life, priorities, or interests over time. Examples. After moving to different cities, they slowly began to grow away from each other. Sometimes friends grow away simply because their lives take different paths. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,